Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can resize pages in your Canva presentations in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so what you want to do is navigate to your Canva presentation. Select the given page here at the bottom. I will go with the page number 1. And then what you want to do is there's one option, for example, to use the Resize tool, the built-in resizer here on Canva. However, guys, not all account levels can access it. The Resize tool, you can find it here in top left, and as previously mentioned, it depends pretty much on your account here on Canva. I have access to that feature, so if that's the case for you as well, click into Resize here and choose either one of these presets here for social media or presentations. Whiteboard presentations, as you can see, sheets can't be resized, right? So if your page, for example, consists of a sheet like this, this is not going to work. So you can apply this to any other page here, and then click into Resize, and let me go with a custom resizing, right? And then you may choose one of these presets here, or add the height and the width here. I will go with 9020 px by 1020 px. You can change the measurement unit here as well to inches, millimeters, centimeters, and then enter the value to the left. So once that's done, confirm by clicking into copy and resize, or you can go with resize this design. So I will go with resize this design, wait for the resizing to be finished. As you can see, pages have been resized. Actually, all the pages within the presentation, excluding that sheet here, because as you can see, or as previously mentioned, it doesn't apply, the resizing doesn't apply to sheets you insert to your presentation. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.